Vitamin C has gradually become one of the most sought after ingredients in skincare. Almost everybody has a vitamin C serum in their skincare stash, and those that do not have it have at some point used a vitamin C serum or have at some point thought about purchasing a vitamin C serum in their skincare. Now, in as much as vitamin C is a very great ingredient that has a lot of benefits, vitamin C can be very irritating for some skin types. Vitamin C is also highly unstable, and that is why you notice that when you get vitamin C serum, the color becomes darker over time and it becomes irritating over time as the color becomes dark. So in today's video, we are going to be talking all about vitamin C serum. Do you necessarily need a vitamin C serum, or choosing the right vitamin C serum for you? Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth and I do all things beauty, skincare and lifestyle. Please subscribe if you end up enjoying my content, like this video, drop a comment and turn on your post notifications. Yes, now vitamin C is an antioxidant and it is a great one, a great antioxidant. Now, what does an antioxidant do? An antioxidant helps to prevent the skin from the free radicals of the sun. Now, these free radicals of the sun is what causes premature aging, fine lines and wrinkles, causes spots like melasma, also causes hyperpigmentation. Now, what vitamin C would do is prevent your skin from getting wrinkles, from getting fine lines, melasma from the sun. It doesn't treat it. Like if you already have wrinkles, if you already have fine lines, vitamin C won't take care of it for you. It just prevents you from having it. Yes, that is what vitamin C does. Vitamin C also helps with the collagen production. Vitamin C also helps to boost the effects of your sunscreen. Yes, it helps to increase the amount of time that you can stay under the sun before you get sunburned or tanned. Now, these are the great benefits of vitamin C that everybody wants to enjoy, but like I said, vitamin C is not for everybody because it can actually be quite irritating and it is very unstable. Now, let's talk about the nature of vitamin C, or the forms of vitamin C that makes it unstable and that makes it irritating. Yes, now there are two forms of vitamin C. We have the L-ascorbic acid and the other forms of vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid and others. Now, L-ascorbic acid is the active form of vitamin C, while others are the inactive form of vitamin C. Now, if you want to know the particular form of vitamin C that is included in your vitamin C serum, just check the list of ingredients. If you see L-ascorbic acid, that means we have the active form of vitamin C in that particular serum. But to know if you have the other forms of vitamin C, just look for any ingredient that have ascorb in it, ascorb, then that is the other form of vitamin C serum. So the active one is better. Now, the best form of vitamin C to have in your serum is the L-ascorbic acid. Like I said, the L-ascorbic acid is the active form of the vitamin C, so it goes to work directly immediately it is applied on your skin, unlike the other forms of the vitamin C serum that has to be converted before it starts working. So that means one of the very first things you need to check out for in your vitamin C serum to choose the right vitamin C serum is if your vitamin C serum has the L-ascorbic acid. The vitamin C serum has to have L-ascorbic acid for it to be active and for it to work very, very well. Now, L-ascorbic acid, in as much as it is great, it is the active form of vitamin C, it works immediately, it is applied on the skin. L-ascorbic acid can be very unstable. Yes, it can be very unstable, and that is why if you get a vitamin C serum, it is always advised to keep in a cool place away from sunlight. If possible, put it inside your fridge. It's going to increase the shelf life. Yes, and also when you get a vitamin C serum, it is better for you to start using it as soon as possible. As soon as you get it, start using it. We are going to get into that later on the factors to consider when getting a vitamin C serum. L-ascorbic acid can also be very irritating, especially when you use it in a high concentration. I'm talking about concentration of 20% and higher. So if you are getting a vitamin C serum, make sure it is within the range of like 10 to 15, 20% maximum. Yes, so if you have, imagine you have a sensitive skin, imagine you have oily, acne prone skin, and you are using L-ascorbic acid, it can actually cause more irritation. Yes, most people with sensitive skin, most people with oily, acne prone skin do not do well with vitamin C serum, especially if you get a vitamin C serum with L-ascorbic acid. So if you have a sensitive, oily, acne prone skin and you notice that your vitamin C serum is breaking you out, it's giving you more acne, is irritating, don't try to build tolerance. Don't feel like you are purging. No, it is just not good for you. You can opt for other antioxidants. Vitamin C is not the only antioxidant. We have niacinamide. We have other great antioxidants for you. Yes. Now, what are the factors you should consider when you want to get a vitamin C serum? First, like I said, get a vitamin C serum that contains L-ascorbic acid, which is the active form of vitamin C. It is the best one. Two, get a vitamin C serum that is in an airless form and not one in a dropper, something like this. It is not the best. It's not advisable. Why? Because you keep exposing the vitamin C serum to oxygen, which will make it oxidize on time, and before you know it, it starts getting darker and it becomes more acidic, which can irritate your skin in the long run. Another thing you should consider is if it has other antioxidants in the list of ingredients. Now, vitamin C serum is more effective when it is combined with other antioxidants like ferulic acid, vitamin E, and green tea. So look out for vitamin C serum that have other antioxidants in the list of ingredients. Another thing you should look out for is look out for a vitamin C serum that comes in an opaque bottle. You know the reason why, just to allow it not to oxidize on time. Look for a bottle that has a darker color. It prevents sunlight from entering it. It prevents it from getting oxidized on time. And if you ask me to recommend great vitamin C serums for you, I would say you could go for the Paula's Choice vitamin C serum. It contains 15% vitamin C. It also has ferulic acid in it. The Inky List has a 15% vitamin C serum with EGF. Naturium has a vitamin C complex that has hyaluronic acid in it and also vitamin E. Yes, it has vitamin E as well. Timeless also has a vitamin C serum with ferulic acid and I think green tea in it. So these are great vitamin C serums that you can use. Please, if you're using Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum, nah, yes.